Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Blue Lady Couture. Today, as the title of this video suggests, I'm doing a little mini shopping haul for you because I've been buying shoes. For a long time now, I have been coveting buying a pair of properly made traditional vintage shoes rather than just continuing to buy cheaply made, essentially plastic shoes that are normally passable for kind of historical things, but you know, I really wanted to invest in a pair of well-made reproduction shoes, and that's where the brand Memery comes in. So Memery specialises in recreating shoes from the Edwardian right through into the 1950s, I believe, and they're all made from leather with leather soles. They're made to traditional patterns and using proper traditional shaped heels, because that's one of the hardest things when you're trying to purchase reproduction shoes. Quite often for early 20th century you need the really nice kind of sort of Louis heel that they call, which is a lovely curved kind of shape, which hopefully I'll be able to show you in what I've been buying. So yes, these are very expensive shoes because they are made in such small batches. That doesn't come cheap, and I appreciate that and I understand that. I decided I wanted to treat myself this year. Obviously, with everything that's happened, haven't really been anywhere. I've not done a lot of vintage shopping, and I have a lot of outstanding birthday and Christmas money that I was gifted from this year and even from last year, I think, as well. So I've kind of accumulated that all together and decided to treat myself to some proper traditional shoes. In theory, if they are well looked after, they should last a long time, and the reports I've heard from other people that have gone down the traditional shoe route, the handmade shoe route, that it is worth the money and you do get your money's worth out of them over time. Yeah, so these are officially the most expensive shoes I have bought. So I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm also very excited. Also, I'm hoping they fit. One of those things when you buy shoes online, you don't 100% know how they're going to fit. But Memery do appear to have a very good returns or exchange system, so hopefully if there's any issues it can be rectified for me. Although Memery are based in Norway, they do have a UK return and exchange address as well, which will obviously help if I do need to send these back for any reason. I'm really hoping I don't. I'm really hoping I'll be able to show you me wearing them, but we'll see. The reason I'm a little bit concerned is when I went on the website to have a look through the shoes, I would normally buy a UK 4 or 5, kind of depending on the style. Normally, to play it safe, I'd go for a UK 4. However, the shoes that I wanted weren't available. They're out of stock in a size 4. And when I looked at the measurement chart provided by Memery on their website to kind of assess that the size would be right for me, they give you the length of the insoles that they use, and also you can measure your foot and compare your measurements against those. But when I measured my feet actually came up smaller than their size 3 measurement, which concerns me a little bit, but I messaged them and they advised me to buy a size 3, so that is what I have done. So we shall see. Hopefully they won't be too tight. That's my concern, is that although the length might be right, they might be a bit too tight on me, but I do have quite sort of slender, narrow feet, so I'm hoping we'll be okay, but we shall see. Right, so without further ado, without me rambling, let's crack on and open this box. Upside down at the moment, but yeah, let's see the boxes. So let's have a look, shall we? So in the first box we have a pair of Esthers in navy blue. These are a 1940s style shoe, but I think they'll be fine for sort of 1930s as well, and possibly even a little bit into the late 1920s. But yeah, so these are a good pair of nice vintage shoes. Yeah, let's have a look, shall we? Excited. Ooh. So they're individually wrapped in this kind of a little microfiber sort of breathable bag. Here we've got some of the laces. I think there's 2 lacing options in here, I could be wrong, but definitely these are the laces that are shown on the website, which are the velvet ribbon laces. Ooh, they're really nice. Really pretty shade of blue as well, which I'm excited for. There is a spare set of heel soles as well. And now let's get to the shoes. They're so pretty. So these are made from beautiful blue suede. I think it's called marine blue. No, it's a navy. It's a navy. No, it was another colour I think that was marine. But yeah, beautiful navy. But it's not like a dark navy. It's a rich kind of jewel navy. And as you can see, there is actually velvet laces already in here. So I've got a spare pair of velvet laces. Oh, that just feels so lovely though. That's really, really nice. They're really pretty. So they are so pretty. I'll be honest, I'm not going to try these on until I've looked at the other pair as well. So we'll look at all the shoes first and then I'll have a try on and see if they fit. Oh, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm nervous. I'm not sure if they're going to fit or not. Oh, I do. The second pair of shoes I've ordered is the Yvonnes, and they are 1920s Mary Jane pumps, and these will be great both for actually Edwardian through 1920s into 1930s as well. I've ordered them in an off-white colour, and that's the main reason I actually wanted to place the order with Memery, is because I had a pair of cheap plastic white Mary Jane shoes that I used to wear with my Edwardian summer dresses and my 1920s dress, and I originally bought them while I was bridesmaid at a wedding as well, and essentially I wore them to death. I wore them so much that I had to have the heel sole replaced, but I think when that has been replaced, the actual heel had cracked and had started to crumble away, and they were just not wearable anymore, which is why I decided at that point that I would perhaps treat myself if I could find a proper pair of Reproduction sort of shoes that worked kind of across a multitude of different eras, which I'm hoping these will do. So let's have a look, shall we? So there's a little card from Memery, with a little note on the back from the owner of the company, Memery, just thanking you for the purchase of the shoes, and just a little note on how to look after them. That's in there. And then, ooh, these look pretty. So again, these are wrapped up in the little individual bags. There we go. Oh, that leather's so soft. Wow. They're perhaps a little bit darker than I thought they might be. I thought they might be lighter colour than that actually, more. But I think they'll be okay. We'll have to see. But yeah, but oh, look at that heel. But that's what I'm talking about when I talk about the heel shapes, that you very rarely come across this kind of heel shape in modern footwear. And of course it's got the pointed toe as well, which you want for the 1920s rather than kind of the rounded kind of 1950s Mary Janes. They're okay, but you know, it's this lovely pointed shape I think is what you want. I'm hoping that's focusing. Alright then, moment of truth. Let's see if I can get my feet in these. Oh, we shall see. I mean, these ones do look quite long, but they're quite pointy and quite narrow, so I'm just a little concerned that they're going to be narrower than I think. Guess we'll find out. I can't get over how soft the leather is on the inside. It feels so nice. Alright then, here we go. Do you reckon? It's either going to be a Cinderella moment or an ugly stepsister moment. Oh, I think they're going to be too small. Obviously, I do know that leather shoes will stretch over time, so I don't know, they might be alright actually. You don't want shoes that are shoes. I mean, there is a little bit of gap in the bottom there. I'm actually really surprised. I can't get the paper out. These feel even more comfortable than the 1920s ones, but I think that's because these are more of a rounded toe. So yeah, they just feel a little bit more roomier in the end. The others are so pointed, they are quite narrow at the end. Again, I'm actually really surprised the size 3 appears to fit. And actually, you can see as I'm moving, it is slipping a little bit. Not that I want them any tighter, I don't think, but yeah, I actually think size 4s would be far too big. So yeah, I'm quite surprised. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing video with me. I am really pleased with my shoes and I'm really pleasantly surprised. Thank you so much to Memery for suggesting that I order the size 3. I think if I'd ordered the size 4, they would have been a bit too loose straight away, whereas I think these will loosen up and soften up a bit more with wear as well. But I am going to wear these around the house just for a couple of days on the carpet, and with the sole protectors on them too, just to be 100% sure, because as I say, these are an expensive, both are expensive pair of shoes, and I want to be absolutely certain about them before I decide 100% that I want to keep them. But I think based on that first fitting and the fact that they actually fitted me, because I didn't think they were going to, I'll be honest, yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. I also just want to stress that Memery has in no way sponsored this video or is paying me to do this review or anything like that. This is my genuine thoughts and feelings on buying my first ever pair of Memery shoes, my first ever pair of proper reproduction vintage leather shoes. Everything I've said in this video is purely my opinion and my initial impressions. So I hope you found it useful and I hope you found it interesting. Hopefully you'll see more of these beauties in future videos when I get to do some more dress up and go to some events. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up by clicking the little thumbs up icon just below. You can also subscribe to my channel so you will know when my next video goes out. You'll also find links below to my Ko-fi account if you'd like to support this channel. I also have a little Redbubble store if you'd like to buy some stationery and gifts with the Blue Lady Couture branding on them, which again helps support my little channel. You'll also find links to my Instagram and Facebook accounts down below as well, so you can support me over there. Do let me know if you have a pair of Memery shoes or another reproduction brand that you like. I'd love to know down in the comments. But I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!